Welcome to English Podcast
from Speak English with Ease.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Ease, the channel where learning English feels calm, easy, and enjoyable. I'm Ava.
And I'm Noah. Hi, Ava. It's really nice to see you today.
It's really nice to see you too, Noah. How are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. The sun is shining, the weather feels good, so I'm in a very good mood today. How about you?
I'm feeling really good too. Thank you for asking. I'm happy to be here, and I'm a little excited about today's topic.
Oh, excited. I like that. So, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is very important, especially for English learners.
Ah, important and useful. That already sounds good.
Today, we're talking about how to start a conversation in English.
Ooh, that's a really great topic because, starting is often the hardest part.
Yes, exactly. Many people know the words, but they don't know how to begin.
But don't worry, we're going to make it simple and maybe even a little fun.
But before we start,
Yes, just a quick reminder.
if you're enjoying this, please subscribe to Speak English with Ease.
And click the like button. It really helps us a lot.
And if you know someone who is learning English,
Share this video with them.
thank you so much, everyone.
Okay, Ava, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's start with the basics.
All right, the very first word. What is it?
Most of the time, the first word is hello.
Hello, a classic, simple, friendly word.
Yes, very friendly, very safe to use.
You can say hello to anyone,
Your friend,
your teacher.
or even someone you don't know.
What about hi?
Hi is also very good. It feels a little more relaxed.
So hello is more general,
And hi feels more casual, more easy.
but hi is very common now.
Yes, you can say hi in a shop or a cafe, and it feels completely natural.
Okay, what about the time of day?
Good question. In the morning, we say good morning.
Good morning. It sounds so polite and very positive.
Yes, we usually say good morning until around 12 o'clock.
So after 12, what do we say?
We say good afternoon.
Good afternoon. That's for the middle of the day.
Exactly.
And in the evening.
We say good evening.
Okay, quick question. Can I say good night to start talking?
Ah, that's a very common question.
Is it wrong?
Yes, just a little. Good night is not for starting.
Oh, so it's for leaving.
Exactly. You start with good evening and you end with good night.
Got it. That makes perfect sense.
Okay, after the greeting, what comes next?
We ask, how are you?
Yes, a very friendly, simple question.
The classic answer is,
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
but we don't have to say that every time.
Exactly. You can also say,
I'm good, thanks.
or I'm great.
Let's practice.
Okay, Noah, how are you?
I'm great, Ava. Thanks for asking. And you?
I'm very well, thank you.
See? We're already having a conversation.
Now, what if you meet someone new?
Then you introduce yourself.
The easiest way is,
I'm Noah.
or my name is Ava.
Then you ask, what's your name?
Let's try a small role play.
Okay, you start.
Hello, I'm Noah. What's your name?
Hi, Noah. I'm Ava. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Perfect. Very natural.
Now, if we want to talk more,
We use a conversation starter.
and the most famous one is
The weather.
because everyone can see it.
Exactly. You can say,
It's a beautiful day today.
or the weather is nice today.
If it's raining,
The weather is not so good today.
just look outside and you always have something to say.
Another great starter is a compliment,
Yes, saying something kind.
like, I like your shirt, or your shoes are very nice.
Ava, I like your voice. It's very calm.
Oh, thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
See? It feels good for everyone.
Now, let's put everything together.
Okay, we're waiting for a bus.
You start.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
The weather is really nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Much better than yesterday.
By the way, I'm Noah.
Nice to meet you, Noah. I'm Ava.
Nice to meet you too. Are you having a good day?
Yes, it's going well. How about you?
I'm doing great, thanks. Oh, I like your scarf.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, I think the bus is coming.
Yes, it was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Wow, that was a full conversation.
And it wasn't hard at all.
The secret is simple. Start small.
Yes, just say hello.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Every small conversation helps you improve.
So, keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
And keep speaking English.
Thank you so much for listening.
Leave a comment below.
How do you like to start a conversation?
We love reading your comments.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.